Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose. This is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do an American spin. No prerequisites required for this. It's not a bad idea to know how to do a push spin already, so I'll make sure there's a link to that in the description below. So if you want to go back and do that, if you haven't, it's easy for you to find. But an American spin, we'll jump straight in. It looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Let's break it down. It's a right to right move, so we start off man's right, lady's right. We go semicircle and back. We're bringing the lady forwards. We're moving forwards as well. We're adding rotation to the lady's left as we bring the hand up and go flat. And obviously we'd like the direction the palm is pointing to be past the side of the lady's shoulder. So we're aiming actually to be on an angle depending upon the height between the guy and the lady. And we're going to push down past the shoulder, so it's just like a right-handed push spin. So you're effectively leading a push spin with one hand, goes down around the shoulders, release, ladies go round off to the right as usual, guys are going to catch whichever hand you want to, but I'm going to catch left, return, and back. From the other side, thinking numbers, we go back 1, preparation 2, spinning 3, catching 4, returning 5, and back 6. Let's do it together and see how we get on. Here we go. 5, 6, an American spin. We go a back, prepare, spin, catch, return, and back. And that is that. Hope you enjoy that one. Hope you find it useful out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel. Big thank you to everyone who does that. And the notification bell, as long as you have notifications turned on, will mean you get told every time a new video comes out, so you never miss anything. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.